Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Shopify domain ownership with GoDaddy step by step clearly. To start, log into your GoDaddy account. Locate the domains section on your dashboard. Select the domain you wish to verify for your Shopify store. Click on the DNS button to access the domain settings. Scroll down to the records section. Here, you will need to add a TXT record for verification. Click on Add to create a new record. In the Type drop-down, select TXT. In the Host field, enter @ to denote the root domain. In the TXT value field, input the verification code provided by Shopify. Set the TTL to the default value, generally 1 hour. Click Save to store your new TXT record. Next, log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the online store section in your Shopify admin. Click on Domains. Select Connect Existing Domain. Enter your GoDaddy domain name and click Next. Shopify will prompt you to verify the domain. It may take some time for the changes to propagate. Once propagated, you should see a confirmation message in Shopify. Your GoDaddy domain is now verified with your Shopify store. You can now proceed to set up your store with your domain. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.